Good morning children, welcome to today's class. As yesterday I have told you that we have already completed 5 of the chapters. Chapter 1 knowing our numbers, Chapter 2 whole numbers, Chapter 3 playing with numbers, Chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas, Chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes. So these 5 chapters we have completed. So let us do little revision of this 5 of the chapters. So first we are going to the first chapter, revision. So in this, let us first go to knowing our numbers, how these numbers are and how we can arrange the digits. So you are knowing the digits, how we are writing, like ones place or units place we are writing, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, then 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, like that crores, 10 crores, it is going. So this is the order from the right hand side, how we are arranging, and digits we are putting inside that to form a number, and how we are putting the commas. This is for the Indian system. This is for the Indian system. After 3 digits we are putting one comma from the back side, right hand side. Then this is the group of thousand. So after this we are putting one comma. Then this is the group of lakhs. So after this we are putting one comma. And this is the group of crores. Then here we are putting the comma. Or generally the number is not more greater than this. So number starts from here only. So this is the Indian system. Indian system and international system later on we will see. Now here first we are going to the revision of this, how these digits are given. 4 digits are given, individual digits are given, and you are asked to make the number, 4 digits number, and the greatest and smallest number. So greatest and smallest 4 digit number you have to create here. These are the digits given, one greatest number and one smallest number you have to create. So to form a greatest 4 digit number, 4 digits number means 4 blocks I have made here. Now greatest number means first the greatest digit should come. So and then the smaller than that, then smaller than that, then smaller than that. Means you are arranging here in descending order, decreasing order. So first the greatest number, then smaller than that 7, then smaller than that, that is 4, then smaller than that, that is 2. This is the decreasing order of the digits. So this is the greatest digit number. Now smaller to greater means arranging in the increasing order, means starting from 2, then 4, then 7, then 8. This is the smallest number formed from these 4 digits. This is clear how we are making the number. This is the greatest 4 digit number and this is the smallest 4 digit number made from these 4 given digits. So this is the way, and try to understand and learn it very nicely, because from the point of view of your home exam means your school exam, also it is very important, and from the point of view of competitive exams also it is very important. So practice it very nicely. Now these are the digits, so nicely we have arranged here. Now here 1 0 is also there. So for the greatest number, how we are creating? Greatest means decreasing order we are going. So the greatest digit, that is 7, then smaller than that, that is 5, then 4, then 0. This is the greatest 4 digit number. Now in the reverse order, like how we have made here. So 0 should come here, 0, then 4, then 5, then 7. This is the increasing order. But the number, can any number start from 0? 0 is not the digit coming in the starting of any number. So actually it is 0, 4, 5 and 7. This is the increasing order. But 0, as it is not coming in the starting of any number, so we will interchange these digits. So now we are writing 4 here and 0 here, interchanging the digits, and then 5 and then 7. So this is the smallest number formed from the 4 digits given. So be very careful when 0 digit is given. any of the number do not starts from 0. So these are the two examples I have told you. Now here all the 4 digits was given and 4 digit number was asked, so we have just arranged it. Now here 3 digits are given and you are asked to make 4 digit number. 4 digit number, 4 blocks I have made here, 4 digit number, greatest and smallest. Greatest. So as we have done here, the greatest digit should come in the beginning. Greatest digit first we have written. Now 4 digits. So greatest number only, greatest digit only we are just repeating. Greatest digit only we will repeat. And then smaller than that, then smaller than that. And smallest number. So smallest digit first we will write. Smallest digit only we will repeat. And then greatest, greater than that, greatest of all. So this is the smallest number made of these 3 digits, 4 digit number we have made. Now here 3 digits are given, 4 digit number we have to make. So just like this, greatest digit we are writing, greatest digit we will repeat, then smaller than that, then smaller than that, 0. Now for the smallest, 0 should come and 0 should repeat and then 4 and then 9. 0 is not coming in the beginning as I have told here. So if I interchange with this, then also 0 and 0 only. So 4 will come here. So 4 we will repeat. 4 will come in the beginning. But 4 we should not repeat. Here we can put 0 because 0 can come in the second position. So first we will write here 4, then 0, then what? 4 I will not write here. Then 0 we shall repeat. It is the smallest. And then 9. The smallest digit will repeat. 0 we are repeating. Here greatest digit we are repeating. Here the smallest digit we are repeating. So in this way the smallest number, 4 digit number will be creating. Listen it to this 0 1 again. Smallest. Greatest is clear I think to everyone. 0 is the smallest. 0 will be repeating and then greater than that, greatest of all. 0 cannot come in the beginning. If I interchange these first 2 digits, then also 0 and 0, then also it is not possible. Here 4 and here 4. Then this we will repeat, means interchange. Then here 4, then here 0. Then here what? This will be going to here, so this 0 will be coming here. And then 9. So 4009 is the smallest number. It is clear now? So smallest digit, that is 0, will be repeating. So this is the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number made of 4 digits. And this is the smallest and greatest 4 digit numbers made of 3 given digits. And one example of all the 3 digits and one example of 0 also I have explained here. Do practice for more examples given in your textbook. It is just revision, so only 2 examples I have taken. Practice with more questions given in your textbook. Now come to the next type of questions. Here greatest and smallest 4 digit number only you have to make, but conditions are given. What is the condition? With 7 at ones place. Means ones place. Where is the ones place? This is the ones place. At this ones place you have to keep this 7. And other places, any of the digits you can keep. Whichever digit you want. That digits you can keep. And that digit should not repeat. That digit should not repeat. Greatest means 9 is the greatest digit. I can keep 9, 9, 9 and 7. But that digit should not repeat. I can't write here 9, 9, 9. So here I will write 7 because that is the condition. And here also I will write down 0. That 7 because that is the condition given in the question. Now what? For the greatest. Greatest digit is the 9. Smallest than that is 8. Then here 7 should come. But 7 I have already written. Then smaller than that 6. So 6 will be coming here. Listen again. Greatest number we are creating. And the digits should not repeat. Any of the digits should not repeat. And the condition is given 7 at ones place. This is the ones place. I have written here 7. Okay. Now for the greatest digit, 0 to 9 digits are there. So greatest digit is 9, smaller than that is 8, smaller than that is 7. But 7 I have already written here, I can't repeat it. So smaller than that is 6, I have written here 6. So this is the greatest number, 4 digit number made with the condition 7 at ones place. Clear? Now coming to the smallest number. 0 is the smallest number, but 0 we cannot write in the beginning. So I will write here 1 and then 0 at the second place. And then next number or the digit 2. 2 is the next digit I have written here, and the condition 7 at ones place. This is the 7 at ones place. So this is the smallest number, 4 digit number created with 7 at ones place. And other digits, smallest digits we have used here, but any of the digit is not repeating. Now the condition 9 at hundreds place. Where is that hundreds place? This is ones, tens, hundreds. This is the hundreds place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So at hundreds place we shall write 9. So this 9 we have written at hundreds place. Now for the greatest number, 9 is the greatest digit we have written here. So 9 I shall write here, but 9 already we have written. So we cannot repeat. Smaller than that is 8. So I will write 8 here. Then smaller than that is 7. I will write 7 here. Then smaller than that 6. So this is the greatest 4 digit number made with the different digits. Any of the digit is not repeated with the condition 9 at hundreds place. Now the smallest number. 0 is the smallest digit, but 0 cannot come in the beginning of any of the number. So greater than that 1 I will be writing. Then 0. 0 can come here, but it is already filled with the condition 9 at hundreds place. Then 0 will come at the next place. And then 1 already we have written, and then 2 will be coming. So this is the smallest number. So understood how we are creating? So this is with the conditions. So 4 digit numbers we have completed. Now here we will see Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Means when we will write the number according to the Indian system, how we will write, where we will put the comma, and how we are reading the number according to that, and international system where we will put the comma and how we will read the number. So here the according to Indian system, how the number is going from the right side only, we are just seeing and counting. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Again repeating, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So here 2 examples are written. We will see where the comma will come. So before 3, here I have done the grouping. So before 3, 1 comma will come. Then before 2, 1 comma will come. Then before 2, 1 comma will come. Then the group of 2. So here before 3 digit 1 comma will come. Then before 2 1 comma will come. Then before 2 1 comma will come. Here also before 3 1 comma will come. Before 2 1 comma will come. Before 2. It is the beginning, so we are not putting. Now how we will read? It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. How we are reading this number? 8 crores, 75 lakhs, units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. 8 crores, 75 lakhs, 95,762. This way we are reading. 8 crores, 75 lakhs, 95,762. Now units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh means 85 lakhs 46,283. Like this we are reading. This is according to the Indian system. Now according to the international system, how it is going? Ones, tens, hundred. It is the one group. Before that we are putting 1 comma. Then again the group of 3, that is 1000, 10,000. This was in the Indian system also. Then here 100,000 is also coming. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then here lakhs was there. Here lakhs will not come. Here million will come. That is million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So again repeating, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So group of 3, 3, here it is forming. So before 3, 1 comma, again before 3, 1 comma, again before 3, 1 comma will come. So here we are putting the commas. Before 3, 1 comma, then before 3, 1 comma. Before 3, 1 comma, then before 3, 1 comma. So how we are reading? Unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So it is 78 million 921,092. And how we will read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. It is million. So 7,452,283. Like this we are reading the numbers. So this is the Indian system and this is the international system. For putting comma, before 3, before 2, before 2. And here before 3, before 3, before 3. This is only the difference. So here we have completed Indian system and international system. Next we are going to see about Roman numbers. Sometimes Roman numbers we are writing in maths like XL. It is generally given in size, XL size, double XL and so on. So what is actual it means? So these are called as Roman numbers. In these Roman numbers only 7 kind of symbols are used. So these are the symbols I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the 7 symbols used in Roman numbers. What does these symbols mean? What is the value of these symbols? This I means it is 1, V means it is 5, X means it is 10, L means it is 50, C means it is 100, D means it is 500 and M means it is 1000. This is the value. I means it is 1, V means 5, X means 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. So C, D and M, this is not actually in use at your level. So this is not necessary to understand. We will see about this I, V, X and L. Only this much we will see. Now, what actually the thing you need to understand is that this I, this one I and X can be repeated. I and X are repeated. Means I can be repeated at most 3 times. X also can be repeated at most 3 times. V cannot be repeated and L cannot be repeated. V and L cannot be repeated. Now what? If this I is written in front of this V, that means 1 will be subtracted from this V, and if it is written at the back side, means after this V, it means it is added to this. Now see what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let us see up to 10 here. So it is 1 as it is given directly, means I. I said this I can be repeated. So it is 2 times repeated. It is 3 times repeated. I told you at most 3 times it can be repeated. So it is repeated. Now 4 means out of this 5, it is this I is written in the front side. If this I is written in the front side of this V, it means it is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Means this I is subtracted from this 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So this IV is the value for 4. Then 5 is the direct value given for V. This is V. Direct value given for 5. Now 6. If this I is written at the back side, means after this, means it will be added. 5 plus 1, that is total 6. And this also can be repeated at most 3 times. So this V and I repeated 2 times. And this I repeated 3 times. This is the value for 6, 7 and 8. Generally we are writing for classes also. Class 6, class 7, class 8. Like this. As at the top here also I have written class 6. It is V and I. V and 2 times I, class 7. V and 3 times I, that is class 8. Now for this 9, that means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means from this value of 10, 1 will be subtracted. 10 minus 1, that is equals to 9. 10 is x, from this I will be subtracted. That is written in front. Subtraction means written in front. That is I and x. This is 9. And direct value x, it is 10. Written in front means it is subtracted. And written at the back means it is added. And if you are subtracting, which is written at the front side, it will be written only once. You cannot repeat here 2 times. Means you cannot write like this. This is not the value. If you are writing something like this, it is actually nothing. It is actually the wrong way of writing. If you are repeating 2 times, it is nothing. For subtraction only once you have to write. So once you are writing here and 10 means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So it is I and x. That is the value of 9. And if you are writing it at the back side, means after this 10, that is 10 plus 1. That is 11. So this is the value for 11. And if you are repeating it 2 times, 10 and 2 times repeating, that means 10 plus 1 plus 1. That is 12. And if you are repeating it 3 times, that is 13. Means at most 3 times you can repeat. I told you earlier, this is 13. Now, as we have done it up to 10, if you write 10 in front, like how we are writing 1 to 9, we are writing, and in front if you are adding 1, we can get 11, 12, 13 up to 19. Likewise, if you write this x in front, you will get up to 19. Up to 19 you will get. Then for 20, x and x. 2 times x. Like this, x can be repeated up to 3 times. And for 50, again different thing is there. So up to 13, up to 20, I think it is clear. Yes or no? X if you will be writing in front. This is xiv 14, xv 15, xvi 16, xv11 17. This is 18. This is 19 and this is 20. Likewise up to 30 you can write. So this is up to 20 I have explained you. You try to write up to 50. So this Roman numbers we have completed here because it is just the revision. I think in the explanation time you have understood this all. So this revision is just over. You try to write it up to 50. So this Roman numbers revision is over.